about twisted rib is the increased stitch definition that you get in your ribbing. I mean, this is just so dimensional and so textural, and it's really super simple to do. I used to make my dog his cowls, and they just looked so pretty, and he got so many compliments. It's actually some of his fur still in there, and I'm not going to remove that. I also use twisted rib, like in the rib edges on my fingerless mitts. I just think it gives beautiful texture, and then 1x1 rib is so stretchy. So let's see how to make it. So I'm set up with my magic loop, and I have a full video on magic loop that I will link to here. So we're going to knit in the round. This particular twisted rib is in the round. I also have a video on doing twisted rib as flat knitting, and I will link to that as well. So let's look at how we get this really cool textural knit stitch. And when you're in the round, it's so darn easy. So we're set up for magic loop. I am pulling my working needle out, and then I'm going to scoop under my working yarn. And normally when we knit, we're going to come in like this and we wrap. For a twisted knit stitch, we insert into the back loop and then wrap that way and pull through. And then we're going to purl as normal. Yarn in back because we're knitting. We insert to the back loop, we wrap, pull it through. Yarn in front, purl. And then we purl, and then let's take a super close-up look at this. Okay, so our yarn is in the back. We're going to insert into the back. And you can use your thumb to kind of hold that stitch on the left needle, and then we just pull it through. Yarn in front for a purl stitch. Okay, and now let's look again. Normally we would come here, but we want to go, let's see if I can really show this to you. So see how we've got our front leg and our back leg. We're going to come in through the back loop, wrap, and pull it through, and purl. I always find it easier on magic loop if you end on a purl. Okay, and then we're going to pull our cable through, and then we turn back in our ready position. Scoop from under, and